Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, doing another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for my Galaxy S10 Plus. You just decided to pick it up. You want to protect that beautiful device, and this case from Otterbox will definitely do that. I want to shout out Otterbox for sending me their Defender Pro Series record protection case. You can actually pick this up from Otterbox.com or Amazon. I'll have both links in the description. Right now it's $59.99. Look at the presentation. Defender Pro. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It is a 4-piece or 3-piece case. Bam. I like the colors on the box. So you do get a belt clip. Look at that. So if you're a construction worker or you just work outside, bam, this will be great for your belt clip. Here's the case itself. Let's look at it. You have some branding in here. Little branding in the back. Look at that. It gives you that extra texture on the sides. Even here too. Bam. Alright, so we're going to try to take this off on camera. Like I said, it's 3 pieces. So how I do it normally, you want to peel off the TPU case first. Slowly. You don't want to rip it, stretch it out. But this will come off. See? It comes off. Now, here's the important part. See these little arrows? This is where you want to take the case apart at. If you have fingernails, great. If you don't, yeah, you might be in trouble like me sometimes. But be patient with it. Don't force it. If it doesn't want to come out, go back to it. But you want to slowly. You might get one that's stuck. There you go. There's the 3 pieces. So now what you want to do is just assemble it back. And what I like to do, put it in here first, maybe. And now you just line the pieces back up. And you will hear them snap. Again, take your time. Alright, so once you get that back in there, all you do now is put this back in. You work it around, line up all the power button. They have these little holes too. Look at the little holes. So that way you know you're lining up in the right spot too. Because you don't want to have the vine rockers and everything out of whack. But you just walk it around. Even these little tabs. Once you do that, Bigsby is working, by the way. And there you go. You have it. Now, lip protection, you definitely do so. Look at the camera hump. You don't have to worry about busting up your cameras on the back. Let's check out the cutouts. Cutouts all lined up. Look at that. They have these little tabs for extra protection. The volume. Look at it. Look at that power button right there. Let's see. The power button works. The vine rockers work. Even the Bigsby button works. So this is the Otterbox Defender Pro case. Now, a couple things we want to check. Will it wireless charge? As you can tell, bam. Now, something new this year, because you know on the Galaxy S10 you can power share. So we're going to wireless power share and see if this works. Here's my LG. See. And there you go. Whoa, what's doing it? Maybe. There you go. As you can tell right there, you can power share with the case on. No need to take it off. So again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus, including more cases to come. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.